So after the FOMC meeting, where there's no really change, there's no interest rate cut, no interest rate hike, the market seems to take a dive. So it took a dive. The meeting was done, I say, around 325, 330. After that, the market took a dive. You saw SPY went down almost 5%, even more. You saw Tesla went down. A lot of other stocks went down. For example, I was able to look and see the charts and see after the meeting that SPY was going up and down. And after the meeting, SPY went down. I was able to get into a put option. So I was able to get into an option. I did a put option on SPY, and within about 15 minutes or so, I was able to profit about $120 off of a put on the SPY. So once again, after the FOMC meeting, seems like a lot of the stocks is dropping down in the market. Stay tuned, let's see what happened, all right? So let me show you real quick how I was able to do it. I'm gonna dive into the computer and show you a quick example of how I was doing it. So right now, we're on the SPY chart on Yahoo Finance, and we're on the 5-minute ticker symbols. So as you can see, right around here, 2:30, that's when Federal Reserve Chairman Powell, this is when he started to speak, was right here around 2:30. So as you can see, like I said earlier, it went up around during that time, and like I said, it was on the 5-minute intervals. So this is around is we on a 5-minute? Yeah, we're on a 5-minute interval. So like I was saying, so this is, we got 240. He's already in the conversation. Then after that, we got 245, dropped a little bit. Then he was still talking. Conversation went up some more. Stock market went up some more. And at the peak, when he's starting to close out, that's when we start to see a little reversal. So we had a red candle, a green candle, another neutral candle, which is like a green candle, but it didn't have a full body. And that's when the next one you saw was a red candle. And for me, that's like indicating that most likely we're gonna have a dip. After that, on the 5-minute interval, we had another green candle, but as you can see, this green candle really doesn't have a body, and the wick is down. So with the wick showing down, the longer wick going down indicates to me that most likely SPY was going to go down. So for me, I was going to do a scalp trade of about 5 or 15 minutes. So I got into it about right here. I got into a put right about here at, what is that? About 325, 330. That's when that's when Chairman Powell ended up wrapping up his conversation, his speech. And as you can see, that's when the market starts to drop. 5-minute intervals down, quick, fast. That was 330. That's 335. And right about here, that's when I start to see that it might go back up. So I took profit right here, but then I realized that 2 green candles, and these green candles didn't have a thick body with the wick going up. It was kind of a medium-sized body. So to me, kind of seemed like a little of a bear flag in a way. So for me, I said, okay, let's go at it again. And I took another trade at around 45, which is about 345. And I exited that trade about 355 right before the market closed. I could have did it again, but I'm kind of skeptical about doing SPY after 4 o'clock, even though it gives you until 4:15 to close out. So I end up closing out at 355, which gave me more profit. So a total of, I think, about 120 and change. I'm not exactly sure, but it was like 123 or something like that. So that's an example of how I was able to capitalize and profit off of the federal FOMC meeting, the Federal Reserve meeting, which happened on May 1st. So once again, I hope you got some value out of this. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be doing some more videos of how I'm doing option trading as well as scalp trading. So once again, stay tuned.